Super Hookah offers a new take on scuba diving with the air supply system floating on the surface. Say goodbye to cylinders on your back. According to its creators, diving with Super Hookah is what the diving community has been waiting for. Divers, let us know if that's true. With Super Hookah you can dive up to 10 meters and spend 2 hours underwater. It runs on removable batteries and fits into a small suitcase meeting hand luggage requirements for major airlines, plus it includes USB ports for charging devices like smartphones and action cameras. Super Hookah is priced at $700. The Magic Jet boosts compactness and power as its main features. This battery-operated underwater scooter weighs 3.6 kilograms, can be easily handled with one hand and let you explore depths at 1.8 meters per second. With a full charge lasting 100 minutes, it ensures extended underwater adventures, plus thanks to its positive buoyancy the scooter won't sink if it slips from your grasp. Divers deepers 50 meters with the Magic Jet, and for double fun you can combine two scooters. However, the price might take your breath away. A single Magic Jet costs $800. Welcome to the underwater tour. No diving skills required because you'll walk instead. Suitable for ages 8 to over 80, it's accessible to all. Walk underwater in various places worldwide, from the Bahamas and Curacao to the Philippines and Guam. Typically lasting around 25 minutes, it leaves lasting impressions. Capture memories worthy of framing, as photography and video recording are often allowed. Professional operators are available upon request. Like any standard tour, a guide accompanies participants. Sea-Trek helmets ensure 3 times more air than usual and equalizes pressure to avoid any accidents, plus its design allows you to pinch your nose and unclog your ears just like in an airplane or a swimming pool. It keeps your head dry, which means that you don't even have to remove your glasses or contacts. In Mexico you can enjoy this tour for $79 per person. The dark-fin Durafin gloves are incredibly popular, not only among divers but also among kayakers. It's no surprise given their meticulous design. Notice their lengths, they conveniently tuck under wetsuits. With dark-fin Durafin it's like your palms have grown by 70%. Moreover, compared to the previous model, these gloves are more durable and offer improved thermal insulation, making them ideal for long spear fishing trips. The key innovation is an additional third micro layer of latex with cotton fiber, enhancing comfort in colder waters. Get your hands on a pair for $37. Have you wondered what it's like to fly underwater? Those who've experienced a subwing ride can tell you. It's a contraption with 2 movable wings attached to a boat by a cable that makes you feel like a little mermaid or a dolphin. While it looks simple, its design is pretty clever. You can rotate around your axis, and even with a scuba tank its maneuverability remains unaffected, plus there's a special rope for comfortable one-handed grip, perfect for taking selfies. With an optimal speed of up to 7.4 kilometers per hour, capturing the moment is a breeze. The subwing comes at a price of $200. If you delve into the data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, you might discover some surprising facts. For instance, sharks actually kill fewer lives each year than cows, yet it's shark defense that catches our attention here. Let's take a closer look. Meet eSpear, the world's first portable electronic shark repellent. Weighing just 250 grams, it's effective at depths of up to 100 meters and operates for up to 2 hours, generating an electromagnetic field in a space measuring 2.5 by 1 meters. It causes muscle spasms in any shark that ventures too close. Curious to try out eSpear for $300? The Orion platform takes its name from the brightest constellation in the sky and shines even underwater. This platform offers numerous possibilities, with its core component being the DPX-1 shield case. It enables you to take your tablet to depths of up to 60 meters. For convenient screen into action, there's a special DPX-3 dagger stylus. The Orion creators are open to collaborating with third-party hardware and software manufacturers. The platform is already compatible with wired and wireless solutions that simplify tasks like monitoring, breathing, and heartbeat, aiding in 3D modeling and collecting data on water temperature and pressure. The case for tablets up to 11 inches costs $249. This development, as envisioned by its creators, will delight free-diving enthusiasts. It's called Oxima, and it's a hybrid between a mask and 2 electronic modules. One module tracks data light depth, ascending and descending speed, while the other measures oxygen levels, heart rate, and even head tilt. Oxima communicates all of this information to the diver using bone conduction technology, making it the first smart mask on the market to do so. Through a smartphone app, users can select which data Oxima communicates and customize operation modes, such as informing every 15 seconds. The quickest free diving enthusiasts snapped up Oxima on Kickstarter for $540. This snorkel tank enables anyone to breathe underwater for 10 minutes, making it an ideal option for those curious about scuba diving without wanting to invest heavily in equipment. Using the snorkel is really easy. You can even pump air into it using a hand pump. The tank is compact and can be easily held with your teeth, leaving your hands free. Beginners are advised to use the snorkel at depths of no more than 3 meters, and a maximum of 5 times a day. The concept has proven so successful that Snorkel 2.0 has already been released. The main innovation is the included compressor, which can operate using 1 or 2 18-volt batteries if needed. The kit is priced at $200. The Pathos Laser Evo spear guns are beginner-friendly, but also impress experienced hunters. Firstly, the creators introduced the new D'Angelo 2 grip, which features a longer stock for enhanced comfort. Secondly, the trigger mechanism is smoother compared to previous models. Thirdly, the Laser Evo comes in length starting at 50 centimeters, thanks to its excellent hydrodynamics. Even fast targets won't stand a chance. The curious investment at $187. Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 might sound like the title of a TV show about lifeguards, but it's actually a shark repellent. Its versatility is impressive, and it's suitable for various water activities like kayaking and snorkeling. With a range of about 6 meters and a battery life of up to 6 hours on a single charge, it's quite dependable. However, it's worth noting that its maximum working depth is 50 meters. Designed to affect a special sensory organ called the ampullae of Lorenzini, it's highly effective against sharks while not bothering other fish. Whether it's worth the $414 price tag is up to you to decide. Seaview V3 is hailed by its creators as a new generation full-face snorkeling mask. Snorkeling revolves around marveling at underwater beauty, so this mask offers an outstanding 180 degrees view, 20% more than many similar products. Comfort is a priority too. If water seeps in, simply lift your head up from snorkeling position, and it will drain out through a one-way valve near the chin. The mask silicone is medical grade and the patented Flowtech system ensures natural breathing, weighing approximately 640 grams. The Seaview V3 is priced at $60. While a wingsuit typically brings to mind skydiving thrills, French designer Guillaume Bernard had a different idea, adapting it for water. The results, the Ocean Wings neoprene suit showcased on the screen. It's a garment that wouldn't look out of place on the set of a Hollywood action movie. Free diver Pierre Frala's efforts in creating a captivating video certainly paid off. The Orca Torch D630 version 2.0 flashlight boasts a list of benefits as long as its name. Firstly, it's a canister dive light, meaning the light head isn't built into the body but connected to the batteries with a special cable. This design feature ensures a very bright output, 4,000 lumens. Secondly, reinforced components like the 4mm tempered glass can withstand immersion to 150 meters. Thirdly, the batteries last for 5 hours of use in the brightest mode, add-in protection systems against incorrect priority over discharge and overheating, and the $570 price tag seems quite justified. Breathing underwater means creating bubbles that frighten the inhabitants of the sea depths, but how can we observe fish without scaring them off? According to the creators of the Hollis Explorer Sport, they've achieved perfection in the world of underwater technology. This compact, lightweight and easy-to-operate dive gear is equipped with a powerful computer. Its AI handles most tasks, signaling when it's ready, warning of low gas, and facilitating cylinder changes. The Hollis Explorer Sport uses a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen called nitrox, which allows you to stay underwater for up to 2 hours. If the red light on the dashboard turns on, it's time to resurface. Is tech ever been this considerate? Finally, another major claim. The creators of Hydros Pro believe it's a real game-changer in diving comfort and convenience. This buoyancy compensator stands out primarily for its design. It's a vest but with a modular BCD for life system, making it easily customizable for different tasks. For instance, you can opt for a lightweight version without a cargo system. With a lifting capacity of 16.3 kilograms in the S size, the compensator itself is neutrally buoyant. The Velcro-free zipper-free strap system ensures precise adjustment to your body, plus Hydros Pro doubles as a travel backpack for your dive accessories. However, it comes with a hefty price tag of over $2,000.